gyoza. Gyoza cooking in a cast iron frying pan.
What are you doing?
I just got the pan. Don't worry, I'm not.
Gyoza, the pan, and the cast iron.
Heck yeah. That's pretty good. It's always a treat when she makes gyoza. We always do some gyoza, white rice, and I don't know, what else are we doing tonight?
Leftover food.
Okay.
Are you recording?
Yeah. Just giving a quick...
You're sweating.
Sweating like crazy, aren't you? Yeah, it's warm. This heat's been ramping up all day, and I laid down today for a nap, and I was pretty much cooking. The humidity is really what gets you.
These are leftover gyoza, not freshly baked and freshly made.
It's a project, so you know when you sit down and make them, you might as well just make a bunch of them, freeze them up, whatever you got to do. What do you refrigerate them or freeze them?
Freeze. You have to freeze them.
Stick them in the freezer and.
That's why they look like this, because I put them inside the freezer.
Pull them out when you feel in the mood for gyoza and fry them up, and yeah. I just love gyoza. I can eat this stuff like candy.
That's why we never lose weight.
Oh goodness, I tell you, never ending.
Gyoza.
So yeah, we hung up some plants.
Arrowhead.
Yeah, some arrowhead plants. Ordered some pots through Lazada, just some hanging plastic pots. About 10 of them. We hung 5 out here with some arrowhead plants. She kind of got me going on the whole plant thing. She's the plant guru, and she kind of hooked me a little bit, so that's kind of my idea. Yeah, putting up these arrowhead plants, and then maybe a couple more inside the house here in the next week or two. So anyways, just thought I'd kind of crack out one quick video of some gyoza cooking, and me and her and I in the dirty kitchen here on a Sunday evening. So not a whole lot going on, just a nice quiet evening. So at any rate, we're gonna eat now, so hope everybody's doing well, staying safe and staying healthy, and we will come back at you again soon. All right, take it easy guys. Bye bye.